Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add highlight effect like this using Saber tool in After Effects. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to drag the selected footage into the project timeline in After Effects. And select the part of the footage where you want to apply the Saber effect. Now analyze the footage carefully, where you want to apply the effect, or what is the particular element you want to highlight. For example, for this footage, I want to highlight the tire shape of the car. Firstly, you have to duplicate the layer from the timeline by clicking Ctrl+D from your keyboard and select the upper layer. Now, using the ellipse tool, select or highlight the desired area according to your need. Here I'm selecting the car tire area. You need to highlight the area carefully in order to track the area smoothly. After highlighting the area of the desired subject, you need to select the footage from the timeline. From the mask option of that footage, you need to click the Track Mask option by right-clicking your mouse. After clicking on that, Tracker window will open in the After Effects. From Method option, select Position, Scale, Rotation, and Skew. Then select the Track Selected Mask Forward button. It'll start tracking your desired area with the footage. It may take some time to track, depending on your PC configuration and RAM. After completing the tracking, you'll see a lot of tracking points in the timeline of the footage. You can check the tracked ellipse shape in the footage, if it's tracked smoothly or not. After that, from the Effects and Presets tab, search Saber tool and drag it on the footage. Now you'll see the effect has worked perfectly in the footage, but not in the shape layer. For this, from Effect Control tab, select Customize Core and choose Layer Masks in the Core Type option. Now you'll see Saber effect successfully worked in the shape layer, but the background is black, which is not supposed to be. It should be transparent. For that, you need to select Render Settings and choose the Transparent option in the Composite settings. Now you'll see the black background is gone, and the Saber effect is applied in transparent. Now, the fun part begins. You can select different presets from the Effect Controls tab of Saber tool. There are so many presets in the Preset option, you can select any of them, and each effect is cool enough to work with. You can explore them and choose your desired effects. You can even change the color of the effects. Now, from the Customize Core option, you can customize everything, literally everything, such as mask evolution, offset, size, intensity, etc. Using Keyframe, you can create cool effect animation by using controls. That's how you can create cool highlight effects by using Saber tool. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.